Hi, are you struggling to market your private practice? Don't worry, I totally get it, and you're in the right place. Here's why. I'm really excited to introduce you to Marketing with Soul. It's a 9-week online self study program designed by a therapist, that's me, for therapists, that's you, who want to learn how to market their practice more easily, authentically, and confidently, and of course, without the ick. Marketing with Soul is different from other programs because it was created by somebody who's also in the industry and who understands about the importance of alignment. When you join Marketing with Soul, you get access to a comprehensive online curriculum that covers everything from branding, niching, messaging, website design, social media, email marketing, and content creation, including your marketing strategy and your marketing plan, not a cookie cutter approach, but just for you and your private practice. But this program is about more than just learning about the marketing fundamentals. In fact, it's about developing also a mindset that's going to help you feel more empowered and more confident to promote the services that you deliver in your private practice. I'm going to show you how to get the message out in a way that's really congruent with your own values and your own beliefs, so that you can attract clients who share your vision and really resonate with your message. Best of all, you're going to have access to a supportive community of other like-minded professionals who are also working on their own marketing journey. You'll be able to also have access to regular coaching calls with me where you get personalized support and guidance on the marketing for your private practice. Plus, you also get chances to submit your work for review and feedback so you can feel really confident and assured before you hit publish on your next post or send on your next email. By the end of the program, you're going to have your niche, your messaging, clear branding, a marketing plan, a marketing strategy, a well-designed website that reflects your values and your beliefs and attracts perfect for your practice clients. And you're going to leave with the skills and the confidence that you know exactly how to put your best foot forward. So if you're ready to take your marketing to the next stage, to the next level, and build a thriving private practice that really aligns with your values and beliefs, I would love for you to join the program today. I cannot wait to welcome you into the community. Bye.